Ranbir Kapoor. Bollywood actor Ranbir Kapoor tested positive for COVID in the month of March and he quarantined himself at home. All the shootings of his upcoming movie got cancelled due to his health condition. During the end of March, the actor tested negative. Alia Bhatt. Soon after Alia's beau tested negative, Alia Bhatt tested positive with COVID-19 on 2nd of April. The actress is currently under home quarantine and the shooting of Gangubai Kathiawadi RRR is put on a hold for Alia. Katrina Kaif. On 6th of April, Katrina Kaif took her social media account to announce that she has contracted the coronavirus. The actress is currently under home quarantine and has cancelled all her work as she is currently under treatment. Akshay Kumar. Bollywood's one of the fittest actors, Akshay Kumar shocked everyone when he tested positive for COVID-19. The actor later announced that he has got hospitalized for safety reasons. Not only him, 45 other junior artists from his film set of Ram Setu too tested positive for COVID-19. Vicky Kaushal. The heartthrob of Bollywood, Vicky Kaushal tested positive for COVID-19 while shooting for the movie Mr. Lele. The actor has quarantined himself at his residence and is currently under medication. Bhumi Pednekar. Bhumi was also shooting with Vicky for the movie Mr. Lele, directed by Shashank Khaitan, and from there, Bhumi too contracted the coronavirus. The actress has updated her fans about it and also declared that she is under home quarantine and is going through a difficult time. Varun Dhawan. During the shoots of Jug Jug Jio, Varun Dhawan along with other members of the cast contracted COVID-19. Only after testing negative, Varun Dhawan came out of his home quarantine. Kartik Aaryan. Popular Bollywood actor Kartik Aaryan was shooting for his movie Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2 when he got infected with COVID-19. The actor stayed under the home quarantine for 14 days and came out of quarantine after testing negative. Fatima Sana Sheikh. Dangal girl, while shooting for a project in Rajasthan, contracted COVID-19 and is under home quarantine. The actress has recently updated her fans that she has lost her smell and taste completely. Aamir Khan. Mr. Perfectionist of Bollywood, Aamir Khan recently updated his fans that he has tested positive for COVID-19. His officials has revealed that he has been maintaining self-quarantine at home. Aditya Narayan. The host of Indian Idol Season 12 has recently made a post that he and his wife Shweta has tested positive for COVID-19. Manoj Bajpayee. This Bollywood actor too contracted COVID-19 recently and has already recovered from the condition. R. Madhavan. R. Madhavan has recently tested positive for COVID-19 and is under home quarantine. Govinda. Bollywood actor has contracted COVID-19 recently and is maintaining home quarantine. Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Ace filmmaker Sanjay Leela Bhansali too tested positive for COVID in previous month. What are your thoughts about these stars? Let us know in the comment section.